Welcome to the Parent Cafe Classroom, where parents get strategies for helping their children learn to read and read to learn, essentially learning how to tutor their children. If your child is currently in an elementary or middle school and is struggling with reading, this classroom is just for you. If your child merely needs support and you are using our Parents as Tutors series, this is just for you. If you are interested in preparing your child for kindergarten readiness, this class is definitely for you. Parents who use our Parent Cafe Classroom along with our Parents as Tutors series are finding that their children are experiencing improved fluency and a higher level of comprehension. English language learners are also finding our classroom to be beneficial. Come join us in the Parent Cafe Classroom and learn how to be your child's tutor.
Welcome to another session of Parent Cafe. You will absolutely enjoy this session today because we'll be talking about commonly misused words. Not only with children, but also with parents. These words, accept, people interchange them. Affect, effect. Many times people are saying effect when they really should say affect. And also your instead of your. So that's what we'll be talking about today. I need you to understand how to use these words properly so that you can teach your children how to use these words properly. So get out your notepads, get your pens and pencils, and be prepared to take notes. So come on with me. So parents, follow along as I use my red pointer. Here it is. This is a letter from a parent to a teacher. Dear Miss Armstrong, please accept this excuse. I'm sorry that Gloria was absent from school yesterday. If she missed any work that will affect her grade, please send it home and I will help her make it up. Thanks, and please know that you're welcome to call me at any time, Miss Brown. Wonderful mother, but she was using these words incorrectly. For example, please accept this excuse. Accept means not included. Is she saying, please do not include this excuse? No. She meant accept. She's asking the teacher to please accept this excuse. Then she went on. She said, I'm sorry that Gloria was absent from school yesterday. If she missed any work that will affect her grade, please send it home and I'll help her make it up. Effect. Let's look at effect. Effect is a noun. Effect is a noun. She's asking, she said, if she missed any work that will do something to her grade. It's the verb. So, if she missed any work that will affect, do something to, affect. If she missed any work that will affect her grade, please send it home and I'll help her make it up. Thanks, and please know that you're welcome to call me at any time. Your means belonging. Does she mean thanks, and please know that belonging, welcome to call me at any time? No. She's saying you are welcome to call me at any time, which means she should have used the contraction. If she didn't want to say you are, she could have contracted it and said you, there it is, apostrophe R-E. That's the contraction. So parents, I need you to teach your children the meaning of these words. Show them this video. Show them how people can mistakenly or inadvertently use these words incorrectly. Accept instead of accept, effect instead of effect, and your, this is the most common one, your instead of your. So parents, I trust that you enjoyed this very short lesson. very short and powerful. And I trust that you will be using these strategies not only with your children, but even with your coworkers. Because sometimes in organizations, I see emails coming across and letters coming across with these common errors. So share this information with everyone. Matter of fact, hit share, share the video. Share the video. And if you're wondering where you can find more lessons like this, turn to our Understanding Words book. It's part of our series. If you've gone onto our website, parentsastutorsllc, you'll see more information on this and know that it's available at amazon.com. Understanding Words. So parents, see you next time.